Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the amazing health benefits of turmeric, a spice that has been used for centuries in Asian cuisines and medicine. Turmeric is a yellow-orange root that belongs to a ginger family. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer and other properties. If you want to learn more about how turmeric can improve your health and well-being, make sure to watch this video until the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification and leave a comment below. Scientific studies. There are many scientific studies that support the health benefits of turmeric and curcumin. For example, a meta-analysis published in Nutritional Journal in 2017 found that turmeric and curcumin can lower blood lipids in patients at risk of cardiovascular disease. Another study published in Frontiers Pharmacology 2020 reviewed that the effects of turmeric and curcumin on various aspects of health such as inflammation, oxidative stress, metabolic syndrome, arthritis, anxiety, depression, and neurodegenerative diseases. These studies suggest that turmeric and curcumin have multiple benefits for human health. Turmeric and curcumin. Turmeric contains about 3% curcumin by weight, which is the main active ingredient that gives turmeric its health benefits. Curcumin is a polyphenol that can modulate various molecular targets such as enzymes, transcription factors, cytokines receptors, and genes. Curcumin can also influence the gut microbiota, which plays a role in many diseases. Curcumin has inflammatory effects by inhibiting the production of pro-anti-inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins, leukotrienes, and cytokines. Curcumin also have antioxidant effects by scavenging free radicals, enhancing the activity of antioxidant enzymes, and regulating the redox balance. Curcumin also have anti-cancer effects by inducing apoptosis, cell death, inducing angiogenesis, blood vessel formation, and preventing metastasis spread of cancer cells. What happens to your body when you take turmeric every day? Taking curcumin every day can have many positive effects on your body. Some of the benefits include improving your memory and cognitive function by increasing the level of brain-derived neurotrophic factors (BDF), a protein that promotes the growth and survival of neurons. Reducing your pain and stiffness by increasing inflammation and swelling in your joints and muscles. Enhancing your immune system by stimulating the production of natural killer cells, macrophages, and antibodies. Protecting your liver by preventing the accumulation of fat and toxins in your liver cells. Lowering your blood pressure by relaxing your blood vessels and improve blood flow. Regulating your blood sugar by improving your insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Preventing or treating infections by inhibiting the growth of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and parasites. Best turmeric supplements. There are different types of turmeric supplements available on the market, such as turmeric powder, turmeric capsule, turmeric tablets, turmeric liquid extracts, and turmeric gummies. The best turmeric supplements depends on your personal preference, budget, and health goals. However, some general tips to choose a good turmeric supplement are: look for a supplement that contains 95% curcuminoids, which are the active compound in turmeric. Look for a supplement that contains black pepper extract or piperine, which can increase the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%. Look for a supplement that is certified organic, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and free of additives or fillers. Consult your doctor before taking any supplement if you have any medical condition or taking any medication. The daily recommended dose of turmeric varies depending on the type of supplement and the purpose of use. However, a common dose range is between 500 to 2000 milligrams per day. Turmeric tea for weight loss. Turmeric tea is a delicious weight loss way to enjoy the benefits of turmeric while also supporting your weight loss goals. Turmeric tea can help you weight loss by boosting your metabolism, by increasing the thermogenesis heat production in your body, suppressing your appetite by increasing the level of serotonin, a hormone that regulates mood and hunger in your brain, reducing your inflammation by lowering the level of C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation in your blood, improving your digestion by stimulate the secretion of bile, a fluid that helps break down fats in your liver. To make turmeric tea, you will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or 1 inch of fresh turmeric root, 4 cups of water, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, honey or lemon juice to taste. To prepare turmeric tea, follow these steps. Bring the water to a boil in a pot. Add the turmeric and black pepper and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the tea and add honey or lemon juice to taste. Enjoy your turmeric tea hot or cold. You can take turmeric tea 3 times a day, preferably after meals. Turmeric water. Turmeric water is another simple way to consume turmeric and reap its benefits. Turmeric water can help improve your health by detoxifying your body by flushing out toxins and waste products from your kidney, liver, and colon, dehydrating your skin by increasing the moisture and elasticity of your skin cells, balancing your pH level by alkalizing your blood and tissues, fighting infections by enhancing your immune system and killing harmful microbes. To make turmeric water, you will need half teaspoon of turmeric powder or half inch of fresh turmeric root, 1 glass of water, a pinch of black pepper, honey or lemon juice to taste. To make the turmeric water, follow these steps. Grate the fresh turmeric root or use some mortar or pestle to crush the turmeric powder. Add turmeric and black pepper to a glass of water and stir well, adding honey or lemon juice to taste. Drink your turmeric water in the morning on an empty stomach. You can drink turmeric water every day for optimal results. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you learned something new and useful about health benefits of turmeric.